evening, sir.
Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the IB 16th cohort 2021. The exam is going to happen or conducted on 31st October 2021. Yes, now what I posted on the screen, if anyone can unmute and read so that I could know that you are with me and I am with you. Please hurry up.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, read. What is posted on the screen?
Screen is on color. Sir, words are also colorful, sir. We don't remember days, we remember moments, sir. Good evening. Professor Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain.
Yes, that I said, we don't remember days, but we remember the moments. Those are the great things. That is the good evening, that sign which I want to make it out. Then another thing also, you could see me when I was working in the University of Dar es Salaam. These are the Indians who came to meet me. So these are the things which I want to share with you now. Now, without wasting the time, of course, today is the world, because I already shared this one. World Teacher Day is celebrated every year on the 5th October 2021. Teachers play a very important role in our lives, apart from the imparting the formal education. Some teachers also imbibe the many values in their students. To celebrate the efforts of the teacher from around the world, World Teachers Day is celebrated every year on the 5th October. So that is the thing which I want to make it out. And another point at the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that UNESCO also made it important in 1994. The day marks the anniversary of the adoption of the 1966, that is the Indian Labour Organization, and the UNESCO recommendation concerning the status of the teachers. So what is my slogan? Can anyone remember? What is my slogan? Yes, that is in English. Yes, you are. What you said is right. Annidanam kanna vidyandanam minna. That the English translation is, in all arms, education arms is at zenith. Now let us come to the point of the All India Bar Examination 16th cohort 2021. That is the ADR plus Arbitration Act MCQ. Number 1, I think that you could be able to see my screen. Isn't it or not? Yes. Mute all. When you want to speak at that time, you can unmute it. Otherwise, you can mute it. Suppose if you unmute it, there should not be any sound in your background, because I'm taking the class by closing the door, so there is no sound at all from the other side. Yes, coming to the first question. ADR is the acronym for dash. A, alternate dispute response. B, alternate dissolve response. And C, alternative dispute resolution. D, alternative discovery resolution. Which one is the right answer?
Sir.
Yes?
C.
Yes, Jyoti, you are right.
C, sir.
Yes, you are right. Alternative dispute resolution. That is the answer C. Now, 1A, alternative dispute resolution is a setting disputes without going to dash. A, tribunal. B, district commission. C, family court. D, court. Which one is the right answer? Before I could finish it, you should be in a position to give the answer, because the screen you could see it very nicely. Yes. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter, you should.
Court, sir. D.
D is very good. I appreciate it. D is the court. That is 1121 has given the answer. I better that you could join with your name. I feel very happy. Yes, number 2. Another question is, which is the false statement in connection with the ADR? Number 1, that is A, amicable and economical settlement of disputes. B, time wasting management. C, speedy disposal of dispute. D, good in economic point of view. I say false. Yes. I'm not supposed to take that much time, because when I read, you should be in a position to give the answer. Shoot.
Answer is C.
Shoot. It is not a time wasting management. It's a false. Which is the false one? Which is the false one? B. B is the false one. It is not. Is a time wasting management is a false statement, but the other thing is very much relevant to the ADR, because the negative way of the asking a question. That is number 3. Can anyone can unmute and read? Only one. Yes.
Which of the following are essentially ingredients of a valid arbitration agreement?
Yes, A, it must be in orally. B, there must be an agreement between the parties. C, there is no need of agreement between the parties. D, none of the above. Which is the right answer?
D, sir.
Repeat.
D,
There
sir.
is
D.
no need of
None
agreement
of the
between the
above.
parties. C.
It is the answer is there must be an agreement between the parties. That is an essential agreement of a valid arbitration agreement. I repeat, B is the right answer. There must be an agreement between the parties. Yes, number 4. Dash of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 deals with the jurisdiction of the arbitral tribunal. It comes under chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 5, chapter 4, chapter 3. Which chapter? So are we
C, sir.
disrespected? Yes, I appreciate. If the C is the right answer, is the chapter 4, it is dealt over there. Yes. Number 5. Which of the following is not a type of conciliation? I say not a type of conciliation. This A, voluntary, B, contractual, C, compulsory, D, all of the above.
D, sir.
It is the B is the answer. That is the contractual. It is for the foreign, not a type of conciliation. Type of the conciliation means contractual. It is not the contractual one because it is a voluntarily, it is a compulsory. Sometimes if they feel it or all the above, that the answer is the B. Next 6th question. Which one is the false? I say false. Which one is the false in the duties of the conciliator? Of course, below the 4 duties are given over there. One is not relevant to the conciliator, which is a false. Number A, administrative assistance. B, disclosure of information. C, settlement of agreement. D, conciliator must be an advocate.
D.
D, sir.
Jyoti, repeat. 1121. Repeat.
D, sir.
D is the right answer. Conciliator must be an advocate. It is a false statement. He may be advocate or he may not be advocate. That is the answer is 6D. Yes. Now the 7th question is, which one is not connected with the stages of negotiations? I say stage not connected. Number A, preparation. B, opening. C, bargaining. D, winnowing. Oh, this was
Bargaining.
time. I say not connected.
Knowing.
Repeat.
Knowing. D.
Winnowing. D is the right answer. Winnowing. Do you know what is winnowing? Can you tell me in the Telugu?
Kelavatam.
తూర్పాల పట్టడం ఒకటి విధంగా ఆర్ కలవడం కూడా అవుతుంది చాటతోని ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ 8 అథారిటీస్ అండర్ ద ఇండస్ట్రియల్ డిస్ప్యూట్ యాక్ట్ 1947 A, boards of conciliation. B, conciliation officer. C, both A and B. D, none of the above.
C.
It is a C is a very nice answer. Yes, without taking time that you are in a position to give the answer before I could finish the other 4 options. That is, yes, 9th question. Which one is not connected? I say not connected with the stages of mediation. Yes, this is also same thing. No, this is different. Yeah. Which one is not? I say not connected with the stages of mediation here. Say number A, communication. B, opening session. D, C, the negotiation. D, verification.
C, sir.
C.
It is a D. There is a negotiation is there in a mediation. It is not the verification is not there. That is a point which I want to make it out. See,
Answer, sir.
verification is not there. Yeah, let me close it because this is opened. That is causing the disturbance to me. This is opened and which is causing disturbance to me. Yes, let me close it. Yeah. Now let us go to the point. So answer where is the stages of mediation? There is no verification is there in the stages connected with the mediation. That is the D is the answer, right answer, not connected. For the 9th question. 10th. I think this is a very easy question. I am sure that before I could finish it, you are in a position to give the reply to me. 10th. Lok Adalat introduced in which year? 1980? 83? 84? Yes?
C, sir.
C, sir.
None of the above. It is 1982. None of the above. It is 1982. The Lok Adalat was adopted. Okay, 11. Award of the Lok Adalat. A, final. B, not binding on the parties. C, final and binding on the parties. D, all of the above. Oh, you are thinking. Yes, repeat, Jyoti.
Final C, sir.
Yes, final and binding on the parties. Not A. It is C is the answer. There is no final.
C,
Lok
sir.
Adalat. C is the right answer. That is the right answer. That is a final and binding on the parties. 12th question. The Legal Service Authority Act came into force on 10th October 1986, 19th November 1987, 19th November 1995, and 1st January 1999.
B.
It is a C. I did not say. Yeah, it is a C. For 19th November 1995 is the right answer. Okay, now let us go to the next 13th question. The term arbitral tribunal is defined under which section? Section 2, Class A, Section 2, Class B, Section 2, Class C, Section 2, Class D. Which one is the right answer?
Section 2, Class C.
No, it is a D. Section 2, Class D is the right answer, where the term arbitral tribunal is defined. Next, go to the question. 14th question. When did the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 came into force? On 10th May 1994 or 12th August 1996, 19th November 1995 or 1st January 1999?
C.
B,
Repeat.
sir.
12th August 1996, sir.
Yes, it's the 12th August 1996, the right answer, Sandhya Rani. Yes, feedback is, finally, Parliament passed the bill in terms of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1986, and herein after we say Act, which received the assent of the President of the India on 16th 8, 1996, and came into force on 22nd August 1996. That is the answer, because the supplementary question, they may ask you also, when it got the assent of the President of India? Answer is 16th August 1996. They got the assent from the President of India. So that was the thing. So the act number, of course, I did not say act number, and generally act number would be there also there in the year 1996. What is the act number also? They are going to ask. There is a supplementary question. 15th, which section of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 deals with the arbitration agreement? Which one deals with the arbitration agreement? Yes. See, you did not see my feedback. Actually, you would have given the feedback there. But immediately I scrolled down so that you could not see the feedback. Answer is Section 7. Section 7 arbitration agreement they have in the class 1, subsection 1, subsection 2, subsection 3, subsection 4, and 4 is having the class A, B, C, and class, subsection 5. So, they may ask you also supplementary question by finding, see, how many even sabbaticals are there? What is the sabbatical will say? In writing. An arbitration agreement shall be in writing. Which article says? Then what is your answer? Section 3, Section 7, subsection 3. That is your answer. Are you following me? There may be many questions can be designed. Please read the total Section 7 because they are supposed to ask any type of it because Section 7 is very important in the aspect of it. Okay. Now 16th. Section 34 Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 deals with dash A. Interim measures ordered by the arbitral tribunal. B. Application for setting aside an arbitral award. C. Termination of the proceedings. D. Appointment of the arbitrators. Which one is the right answer?
B.
B, sir.
It is the B is the right answer. B. Application for the setting aside an arbitral award is the right answer for that one. Now the question is 17. Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 latest amendment is, which is the latest amendment for this Arbitration and Conciliation Act of 1996? Among the four, that is the Arbitration Act, that is the Amendment Act 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. Which one is the latest one? Sir, we know it, sir. Because you wrote already 2021, now, sir. That maybe they're going to be the right. Suppose for you confused also, I can write it. No, the answer is only the D.
D.
Yeah, it is a D only, the answer is. Okay, the Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Act of 2021, that is the amendment, we can say the 2021 amendment is the most recent intervention, what appears to be in Indian Parliament, endless attempts to tinker with the scheme and intent of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. So that is the answer. 18th question. ADR is generally understood to mean dash, mediation or arbitration. What is a dash? First party, second party, third party, all of the above.
C, sir.
Repeat, Pramela, repeat.
All of the
Third
above.
part.
All of the above, sir.
C is the third part is the right answer, not all of the above. What the Pramila said is right. I think she said C. Yes, that is the right answer. That is the 18C is the right answer, third part. 19 question. Mention that which one of the following is the ADR method. Have a person that decides the dispute. How we will decide the dispute? Number A, fact finding. B, mediation. C, conciliation. D, arbitration.
Arbitration.
No, it is a mediation. Through the mediation that he will deal it in mostly. In the arbitration comes in a different aspect, like the factories, like the banks, industrial disputes. It is through the arbitration it will work over there. But there arbitration will not work for the family affairs. In family matters, arbitration will not work. What will work in the family matters? Anyone? Reconciliation boards, felicitators. Yes. Number 20. What is the benefit of the ADR? Is dash. Prevents appeals. Saves time. B. C. Costs more money. D. Is not always binding.
Saves time, sir.
Saves the time, sir. B.
B is the right answer. The
Save
benefit
time.
of the ADR is saves time. That is the exact answer for that one among the other four. Yeah. The which of the following statement is correct? I say correct. I say correct. So magistrate don't usually have any specific legal qualifications. B, magistrates are always headstrong. C, magistrates are either arbitrators or conciliators. D, magistrates only hear family cases. What do you say?
C, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
C,
Correct
sir.
is
Magistrates are either arbitrators or conciliators, sir.
the right answer. So magistrates don't usually have any specific legal qualifications. That is not the, that is the false. Then which is the correct? See, which of the following statements is the correct? This is a wrong answer because magistrates don't usually have any specific legal qualification is the wrong answer. What is the correct answer? Magistrates always headstrong is the correct answer. No, magistrates are either arbitrators or conciliators. Or magistrate only hears the family cases. No, this is not there. I think, which one is the right answer?
C.
Can you say? C may be the right answer. Magistrates are either arbitrators or conciliators. They act as a, they act as a mediator or conciliator. That would be the right answer for you to say. Suppose if I change it. Which one the following is not correct answer? Means false answer. Then what do you say?
D.
Yes, sir.
A is the right answer. A is the right answer. Because magistrate don't usually have any specific legal qualification. No, magistrate definitely have the legal qualification. That's why there we can make it out. So both the way they can ask you, which was the false answer, which is the correct answer. The false answer, only one is there. In correct answer, 3 false are there, only 1 correct answer is there. Are you following me?
Yes.
Yes, that
Yes,
is a very
sir.
important factor. 22. Which of the following statement is incorrect? I say incorrect. Ante, the other 3 are correct, only 1 is incorrect. Are you following me? Other 3 are correct, only 1 is incorrect. Which is the one incorrect? A. Arbitration is the procedure by which parties refer their dispute to an arbitrator. B. It is a common practice for the commercial contracts to contain the express clause referring dispute to arbitration. C. Any award given in arbitration is enforceable through the court system. And D. The parties must have agreed to use the arbitration procedure before contract is signed. I say incorrect.
C,
B, sir.
sir.
D
C.
is
Any award
incorrect.
given in arbitration is.
Yes, D is incorrect. The reason is parties must have agreed to use the arbitration procedure before a contract is signed. No, that is not proper.
Yes, sir.
So that is the D is incorrect. The all other things are very much relevant. Yes, 23. Can anybody will read? Can anybody will read 23 question?
Which of the following is not a type of alternative dispute resolution?
A.
A. Arbitration. B. Compromise. C. Conciliation. D. Mediation.
Which one is there?
Compromise.
B, sir.
Compromise. Yes, it's a B. There is no compromise. There is other things are very much related to the arbitration, conciliation, mediation, but the compromise is the new one. Of course, if they write the facilitator also there, even that also comes over there. Arbitration, conciliation, mediation, and facilitation. Yeah. So number 24, alternative dispute resolution, that is called ADR in acronym, is a way to settle disputes without, number A, district and session court, B, district commission, C, litigation, D, accident claim tribunal. This is, I switched it because I saw some other questions. Then I switched it, then I put the new things over here.
District and session
D.
courts.
Yes, sir.
Please
Litigation, sir.
closely watch. Alternative dispute resolution ADR is a way to settle disputes without, I say without,
Litigation, sir.
litigation. How could you get the children without the marriage? Marriage should be there, conception is there, then children will come. Are you following me?
Okay.
Yeah, litigation is a very important factor there. Yeah, that is I want to make it out. So match the following part 1 to the description in part 2. See, face-to-face, shuttle, facilitate you, and evaluate you. So these are things. Let me, what I do, I will push it to the next. Yeah. Yeah, now you tell me. See, you are seeing part 1 and compare with the part 2. Face-to-face, shuttle, facilitate you, evaluate you. In the part 2, the mediator helps the parties directly communicate with each other. B, the mediator makes an assessment of the merit of the parties, claims during the separate meetings, and may propose terms of settlement. C, parties directly communicate during the process. D, the mediator separates the parties and schedules between the one with the proposal for settlement. Here I said 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B, 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B, 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B, 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A, which is the right answer. Yes, you can take time because it's explanatory, you know. Yes. Anyone? Yesterday there are 17 students are there, but now I saw only 16 are present. Means day by day
C, sir.
it is answer is C. C is the answer because feedback you read it. Feedback I will read it. Face to face, parties directly communicate during the process. Shuttle, the mediator separates the parties and schedules between the each one with the proposal for settlement. 3, facilitate you. The mediator perhaps mediator helps the parties directly communicate with each other and evaluate you. The mediator makes an assessment of the merit of the parties, claims during the separate meetings, and may propose the terms of settlement. So that is the, now it is increased, 17 days came. Okay, I have taken the screenshot of the 17. Okay, no matter, because I will know that how many people are present and how many are absent. Okay, let us come to the next 26th question. Which one is false statement about facilitation? See, say false statement means other 3 are very right statement. Only one is false statement about the facilitation. This is a facilitator means facilitation is nothing but a facilitation. A facilitator facilitates the things. This, I say facilitation, I did not say felicitate. Felicitate is different. Are you following me? Say yes. Okay, A. Facilitation is the most applied form of the ADR procedure. B. A neutral third party works with both the sides with the reach to a resolution of third party. C. Facilitation assumes the parties want to reach the settlement. The negotiation is done through the telephonic contacts, written correspondence, or via email. D. Facilitation is sometimes used by the judges and settlement. Teleconferences exploring the alternative to take the dispute to trial. Which is the right answer?
D.
Pardon?
D.
Answer is D, sir.
Which is
D,
a
D.
false statement about the facilitation as a false statement, which is not relevant to the ADR facilitation.
C, sir.
B, sir, B. A neutral third party works with both sides to reach a resolution of their dispute.
No. The wrong is facilitation is one of the least form of the ADR procedure, not most applied form. It's not a most applied form. A. A is the false
Okay.
statement because it's not a most applied form. It's the least used form of ADR facilitation is. Okay. 27th, please see that. Which one is false statement concerning mediation? I say false. Means one is false. Other are very much relevant to the mediation. Number A. Mediation is more formal but still leaves control of the outcome to the parties. B. A impartial mediator stops the parties to reach a mutually acceptable resolution to the dispute. C. The parties control the substance of the discussions and any agreement reached. A typical session starts with each party telling the true story. And D. The mediator listens and helps them identify the issues in the dispute, offering options for resolution and assisting them in crafting a settlement. Now I read all the four. Now we can pick it out, which is a false statement concerning the mediation. See, very easy, just you go through it. Would the mediator stops the parties to try to reach the mutually acceptable resolution to the dispute? Or the mediator will encourage and helps the party to try to reach the mutually acceptable resolution to the dispute? You tell me. Second, there's the B. Tell me B. A mediator will not stop it. Mediator encourages the parties to try to reach the mutually acceptable resolution to the dispute.
Yes, sir.
So answer is
B.
B.
B is the answer. That is a false statement. Okay, now let us see the 28th question. Which statement is a false statement regarding the arbitration? I say false statement regarding the arbitration. A. Arbitration is the most formal form of the ADR procedure and takes the decision making away from the parties. Number one. That is the B. The arbitrator hears the argument and evidence from each side and then decide the outcome of the dispute. And C. Arbitration is less formal than a trial and the rules of the evidence are usually relaxed. D. Each party cannot present proofs and argument at the hearing.
D.
D is the answer, false statement. Each party cannot present the proof. No, each party can present the proofs and argument at the hearing. So, if you thoroughly look at all the substance, you could come across what the arbitration says. Okay? Now, 29th. Which one of the following is the best justice? Now you tell me. It is your IQ question. It is. Finding a case in the competent court. Filing the case in the competent court. Filing the case in the consumer court. Settling the dispute in the local adalat. Or settlement with the parties.
C.
Settle the dispute local. C, sir.
The best form of
D,
the
sir.
justice.
D.
D is the
C.
best form of justice.
D, sir.
D is the best form of justice.
Settlement by the
told you.
parties.
The best justice is settlement. See, you know that somebody posted in the viral, it is there in the WhatsApp also. A person who lost the case, he weeps or cries in the court. A person who won the case, he cries after going home. Did you get me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Otherwise, if I tell the joke today and tomorrow that if you laugh, the people will think differently, please. Okay, right now I make it down so that you could see the total things. Yeah, 30. Which are the correct advantages of negotiation? I say correct advantages of negotiation. Please note the point. A. It's a quick, cheap process and privacy. B. Cheap process and might not come to the decision. C. Privacy and lack of certainty. D. Might not come to the decision and it's quick.
Yes, sir.
A is the right answer. I appreciate. Yes, Premila and Kirtan, I think both have given the answer for that one. Yes, which are the correct advantage of the negotiation is it's a quick, cheap process and privacy is the negotiation. Good. 31st question. Which of the following matters are not referred to the arbitration? I already discussed this thing when I was dealing with some other point. I'm sure that you can give the answer to this
Matrimonial
question.
matters, sir.
Matrimonial.
Matrimonial, sir. B.
Matrimonial matters.
Matrimonial.
Yes, because civil matters can be undertaken, banking matters can be undertaken, property matters can be undertaken, but not the matrimonial matter, because matrimonial matters, reconciliation board is there, and there the facilitator or the mediator will come into the picture, but not the arbitration. Yes. And 32, what is the similarity with the mediation and conciliation? A, theory, sorry, they sound the same. B, they both use a messenger. C, they are the same. D, there is no similarity.
D, sir. They both use a
D.
messenger.
Yes, I appreciate I appreciate the answer which is given over there. They both use the messenger. That is the right answer. Next 33 question. What is an arbitrator's role? A, sit and act like a domestic officer. B, please, you are speaking. You unmute, then you only speak. Or you muted, you don't speak. Okay. Okay, number A, sit and act like a domestic officer. B, acts like a judge. C, acts like a umpire. D, acts like a public officer.
C, sir.
D, sir. Judge. Judge.
It is like a judge is the right answer. See, I
B.
make you confuse umpire. Naturally, no. He will act arbitrator's role. Here, he will act like a judge. And that is the role that
Yes.
he is making. Okay, 34. During the conciliation proceedings, a party to the dispute shall not initiate any judicial proceeding except A, with the permission of the conciliator. B, for preserving his right. C, with the permission of the court. D, with the consent of the other party.
C.
Permission of the court.
You read the question first. During conciliation proceedings, okay, when the proceedings are going on, a party to the dispute shall not initiate any judicial proceeding except he could not answer judicial proceeding except for preserving his right, he can go to the judicial proceedings. The answer is
C, sir.
B is the right answer. For preserving his right, when the conciliation procedures are there, the judiciary shall not initiate but any judicial proceeding except for this preserving the right, he can go to the judicial process when the
Permission of the
conciliation
court.
is the process. Yes, that is the answer. Let me make it down so that you could see it. Yes. Okay. Okay, 35. In part 1, the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, no judicial authority shall intervene with the arbitration proceeding except A, for setting aside an award. B, for removal of the arbitrators. C, for modification of the award. D, for replacing the arbitrators. In part 1 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, no judicial authority shall intervene with the arbitration proceeding except, but one place the judicial authority can interfere. A, for setting aside an award. Suppose the award is wrong, then at the time they can set aside the award also. At that only it will interfere, otherwise it will not interfere. Who? Judicial authority. Yes, 36. Which type of the cases are not dealt by the Lok Adalat? I am sure you can give the right answer. A, compatible criminal offenses. B, family dispute. C, non-compatible criminal offenses. D, motor accident claims.
Yes, sir.
Compoundable.
Yes, sir.
Non-compoundable.
I say not dealt.
Non-compatible criminal offenses.
Non-compatible, yes. Or Kirta, Bahubali is right. It is non-compatible criminal offenses. Not, I say here, not dealt with the Lok Adalat. When I say not, you should give the emphasis for the not. Okay, 37 question. Recourse of a court against an arbitral award may be made only if A, party to the dispute is not happy with the award. B, even number of the arbitrators were appointed to the parties. C, a party was unable to present his case. D, the party is not satisfied with the award passed. Which one is the right answer? మీరు ఇంటికాడ మాట్లాడేది కూడా నాకు వినబడుతుంది ఎవరు కానీ you kept it open and Jyoti you kept it open and Premela you kept it open. When you speak you can close it. Oh, today 1% increase, so today is 18. Okay, I took the screenshot. 18. Okay, now let us come to the point. So the right answer for this is, for 37, right answer is a party was unable to present his case at the time.
That is not satisfied with.
Yeah, that is the C is the right answer. 38 question. Yes. Which of the following special act does not provide for the arbitration in respect of dispute covered by those acts? I repeat. Which of the following special act does not provide for the arbitration in respect of the dispute covered by those acts? A. Land Acquisition Act. B. The Cantonment Act. C. The Forward Contract Regulation Act. D. Easement Act.
Cantonment.
In the beginning, I also thought
Please.
cantonment area, nobody would interfere it, but no, it's not the right answer.
Okay.
When
Easement.
you are enjoying the air, when you are enjoying the light, when you are enjoying the way, at the time, no one can make it the thing, because it is your right to enjoy the light, right to enjoy the way, right to enjoy the water. That means, which act it is?
D.
Easement Act 1882. Easement, that is.
Yes.
Okay, that is an act. First I thought is the Cantonment Act. No, I found wrong. Easement Act is the right answer. 39. In case
Okay.
of 3 arbitrators, see, I repeat, in case of 3 arbitrators, the third arbitrator shall act as A. an umpire, B. a presiding arbitrator, C. a sole arbitrator, D. assistant arbitrator.
B, sir.
Presiding arbitrator.
It is the right.
Sole arbitrator.
It is a presiding arbitrator is the right answer. I think Singham has given the answer for that one, I believe. Okay, next 40th question. A sum directed to be paid an arbitral award shall carry interest of. Interest, how much they carry? Because we know that if a case will be filed in the court, the interest will be generally 9% will be added. But here in this case, how much percentage will be added? A sum directed to be paid by the arbitral award shall carry the interest of what? 6%, 12%, 18%, 24%.
6%.
Even court will give the 9% award. How could the arbitral fellow? Because arbitration, do you know? Arbitration could be done only in the
12%,
big companies.
C,
12%
sir,
per
18.
annum.
See, 18%.
18.
18 per
Because of
annum from the date
double.
of the award till the date of the payment. 18% will be given because arbitration takes a lot of. Suppose if you are a good arbitrator, even 6 months one arbitration enough for your livelihood plus enjoying the life. Because a big multinational company comes for the arbitration. Of course, they will also check whether the person is having the capable of such a thing or not. Also, they will count it. Okay, let us come to the next point. 41. Negotiation is a procedure. I repeat, negotiation is a procedure. Hey, binding.
Non-binding procedure, sir.
B, sir.
Non-binding procedure.
Right, Bahubali. Is a non-binding procedure. Non-binding procedure, that is there. Okay, 42. Execution of a domestic arbitral award is governed by domestic arbitral award, I said here. See, generally the arbitration will come only in the big companies, but an exception is there. There only one section will give the domestic arbitral award, that is given in the section 36. 36 is the right answer for the question where the domestic arbitral award is governed by. Okay, next comes to the arbitral tribunal has no jurisdiction to issue interim award, winding up orders, or ex parte orders. See, arbitral
Sir,
tribunal has no jurisdiction to issue. What?
Ex parte award order, sir.
Inherit, sir.
Ex parte order.
Any other people?
C.
NTTMR.
C is the right answer. They cannot have the right to winding up orders. Arbitral tribunal has no jurisdiction to issue the winding up orders. Okay, supplementary question I will ask you. Suppose if you fail in the arbitral tribunal, then where do you go? Yes? Sir, we go to home. Appeal.
Party. Ex parte
Apex
order.
court. What is apex court of the country?
Sir, Supreme Court, sir.
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court or High
You
Court,
say
sir.
Supreme Court here in the India, but in other country you go, they don't say Supreme Court. What they say?
Apex court.
They don't say apex court. What do they say? Sir, మేము కరీంనగర్ వదిలిపెట్టిపోలేగా సార్ మేము సార్ we did not do the Khammam, no sir. Then why do you expect that
Privy
we
Council,
go to
sir.
the India,
Privy
sir?
Council.
No, because earlier the Privy Council was there, but the India that I am speaking about India, I say other India, other than the India. Court of Appeal. What is that? Court of Appeal. That is the Supreme Court. You go to the Tanzania, Court of Appeal is there. Of course, many court, even I think the South Africa Supreme Court or Court of Appeal, they want. But most of the
Uganda in you.
no, Supreme Court they say.
Okay.
Even Nairobi also they say Supreme Court. They don't say Court of Appeal. But in Malawi, I believe that they will say the Court of Appeal. But in certain countries, they say Court of Appeal is the highest court. But in other places, they say Supreme Court. Because I happened to go to the Kigali, that is the Rwanda, where I was the part-time lecturer there. I mean, adjunct lecturer, teaching the international crimes. You know that a lady who is working there and he stayed there in the America, but her pronunciation is very much different. When he uttered the word Supreme Court, she was saying, because the mother tongue is, they say Supreme Court. Because their mother tongue is French. I told them, no, it's not a Supreme Court, not Supreme Court, it's the Supreme Court. Because their mother tongue is French there, the entire Rwanda area. Okay. Now let us come to the point of the chairman of the Arbitration Council of India appointed under dash. Yes. If you just use the logic, you can easily give the answer for this one. Particularly, I said 43 capital C.
34. Section 34.
B.
Section 43, capital C, subsection 1, clause A. That is the right answer. Even myself also, I did not know it, but I used my mental IQ. I say, why he is particularly given C? No, why he is particularly given the capital C? Are you following me? Suppose if you give the 45B here, okay, capital B, I would have to say that. But particularly the C is given, then I say, no, this is the right answer. Then I found the answer is A, that is the right answer. Okay, the mediator is, now you tell me, it is an easy question. Judge, advisor, expert, or facilitator?
Advisor.
Facilitator.
It is a facilitator. Mediator is a facilitator there. But where in the arbitration, he is like a judge. He is like a judge, they say. But there we can say judge, but here we can say facilitator. Okay, in ADR, the issue is proved, inquired into, agreed upon, disposed.
C.
Agreed upon, sir. C, sir.
C, right answer. I appreciate. Sai Kirtan as another person even that told you the right answer. Agreed upon. In ADR, the issue is agreed upon. 48 question. A conciliator is appointed by the parties to the dispute, by the Chief Justice of High Court or Supreme Court, by the Civil Court, by the Lok Adalat.
A. By the parties to the dispute.
By the parties.
To the dispute is the right answer. You apply the IQ. You know, a conciliator is appointed. Oh, Chief Justice, no, there is no question of Chief Justice will come into the picture of the High Court or Supreme Court. Or the Civil Court, why Civil Court will be having the such a duration? Then the Lok Adalat, why will that conciliator will be appointed by the parties to the dispute only if they agree together. Okay, one thing is very much clear. The conciliator should not be related to any one of the parties. He should be a third person. Is it clear? Can the excuse me? Can the excuse me? Just I would like to have a little water. Then I will make it out. Sarmin steel gas la dagta anra. Ye durte dagta dagta. Okay. Now let us come to the point. A conciliator is appointed by the parties to the dispute. That is the right answer. 49. An arbitral award A has to be in writing but need not to be signed. B has to be in writing and signed by the members of the arbitral tribunal. C may be oral. D may be in writing but no signature required.
B, sir. Has to be writing and signed by the members of arbitral tribunal.
I appreciate Sai Kirtan Bahubali. He has given the right answer. Today the Bahubalis scored the good marks, I believe. I think the second or third rank will come today. Okay, the B is the right answer. The arbitral award has to be in writing and signed by the members of the arbitral tribunal is the right word. Okay, 50, half century. Okay. After the arbitral award is made, I repeat, after the arbitral award is made, each party shall be delivered A, the original award. Okay, put this down. Yes, the original award. B, a signed copy of the award. C, a photocopy of the award. D, a unsigned copy of the award.
B.
B. Signed copy of book.
A signed copy of the award is the right answer for that one. So today we are a bit, of course, you have given the answer before I could finish my 4 options. That's why I could in a position to complete the 50. But of course, I made the some other point also. But I will post you, sir. Soft copy here, Adandi sir. Say, why the soft copy you need it? See, everything what I read, everything what I shared you. Again, you are want to ask the soft copy. You never read in that way. Participation only make you to think. But the brainstorming is there. If you want, there, see, I had some more questions with me. Not this one. Some more also I prepared it. And but that thing may not be useful. See, here I borrowed from here. ADR stands for, I already told you that, alternative dispute resolution. And what are the need for the ADR? Can you tell me this question? What are the need for the ADR? Why the ADR would be needed? A, amicable and economical settlement of disputes. B,
All of the above, sir.
all
D,
of
sir,
the above.
D.
All of the above.
All of the above is the right answer there, because it's the amicable and economical settlement of the dispute, the time-saving management, the speedy disposal of dispute, and all of the above is the right answer. See, I did not ask such a question to you. Did I ask such a question to you? It's an easy question to make it out. So I said, no, you are not supposed to ask such a question. You would ask such a question which would seem a bit confusing. And here, this question I asked because I found this is very much useful. Which of the following is not a type of conciliation? Voluntary, contractual, compulsory, all of the above. This question I asked it.
Sir,
Yeah.
compulsory, sir.
No, contractual. I say
Contractual.
not.
B,
I
sir.
say not a type of conciliation. I say not. So I picked by going through the many points. Then I picked out. Then I I prepared the thing. I did not made like this. See, stages of mediation. I made the changes over there. In the stages of mediation, I say communication. I say the opening session. I say the negotiation. But I did not say all of the above there. What I said there? Either ventilation or winnowing, I use the word. Are you following me? I said not, I put it over there. So this is the
Okay.
way that I prepared the question by using my talent, then using the other things. But this question, I completely changed. Lok Adalat is introduced in. Did I mention
sir.
there?
Yes,
Did I mention?
1982, sir. Yes, sir.
I did not mention because you can easily make it out if you ask in this way.
1982.
1982, yes, sir.
But I did not mention. I said none of the above is the right answer because in the feedback I have given 1982. That is the way of making the question framing so that you could have the wide spectrum to answer the question. So that is the way you can make it out. See, here also, see, when I put the question, I did not put in this sequence. Did you observe it or not? I don't know. The term arbitral tribunal is defined under. I did not use like this. 2F